Solana promises the future of Web3, but can it actually handle a billion users? Most L1s choke under pressure, yet Solana is betting on groundbreaking tech to scale beyond anything we've seen. This video dives into the ingenious solutions that could make Solana the blockchain for the masses, solving the biggest challenge in crypto adoption. Unleashing the Solana juggernaut, the current state of crypto scaling, and why Solana stands out right now. Crypto is at a crossroads. Legacy blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum laid the groundwork, but they're slow, expensive, and can't handle global traffic. Ethereum's scaling fixes are in progress, but still fragmented. Most Layer 1s and Layer 2s are stuck in a compromise. Speed versus security versus decentralization. That's where Solana breaks the mold. It's not just faster, it's built for speed. With thousands of transactions per second and ultra-low fees, Solana doesn't rely on Layer 2 patches or sidechains. It's one unified chain that runs fast without splintering the user experience. Solana isn't just scaling, it's redefining what scalability looks like in crypto. Tackling the impossible challenges. Head-on, Solana is charging at the problems most chains dance around. Throughput, handling thousands of transactions per second. Solana's doing it on-chain, not offloaded elsewhere. State consistency at speed. Solana's runtime architecture allows apps to stay fast and composable. That's a massive engineering feat. Hardware-level performance optimization. It's not just blockchain innovation, it's bare metal optimization. Think GPU parallel processing meets decentralized networks. Fee predictability. No gas auctions, no guessing. Flat, reliable fees even in peak times. No sharding, no bridges. Solana keeps the whole ecosystem in one place, reducing friction and complexity for devs and users. These aren't just technical tweaks. They're full-stack challenges that most thought were too risky or too hard. Solana said, let's solve them anyway. Mass adoption. And what's still in the way? We talk about mass adoption like it's right around the corner. But the truth is, we're not there yet. The apps are clunky, wallets are confusing, gas fees are unpredictable, and most chains can't handle millions of users all at once without breaking. Mass adoption means apps that feel like using Uber or Instagram. Instant, seamless, invisible crypto under the hood. For that to happen, the infrastructure has to vanish into the background. Solana's vision is bold. Make blockchain fast enough and simple enough that users don't even know they're using it. No waiting, no fees that fluctuate, no need to think about what chain you're on. That's the unlock. And Solana is closer to it than most people realize. Beyond the hype, Solana's core tech breakdown. Solana isn't just riding the hype wave. It's built on serious technical innovation. Here's how its core systems work together to create a high-speed, low-latency blockchain that doesn't flinch under pressure. Proof of history, POH. Time is a feature, not a bug. Most blockchains struggle with time. They argue over whose transaction came first, and that slows everything down. Solana flips the script. Proof of history isn't a consensus mechanism. It's a cryptographic clock. It timestamps every transaction in a verifiable order before consensus even begins. Think of it like a high-speed stopwatch baked into the protocol. This means validators don't waste time debating order. It's already settled. Transactions are pre-sequenced, like frames in a film reel. The whole network moves in lockstep. No lag, no bottleneck. POH is Solana's secret weapon for throughput. It gives the chain a built-in rhythm so it can scale without chaos. Sea-level and Gulfstream, massive parallel processing. Solana isn't just fast, it's smart about how it handles data. Sea-level is Solana's parallel execution engine. Unlike most blockchains that process transactions one by one, hello, Ethereum bottlenecks, Sea-level can execute thousands simultaneously, as long as they don't touch the same accounts. Imagine running hundreds of smart contracts side by side like CPU threads. That's Sea-level. Gulfstream complements this by aggressively forwarding transactions before they're even confirmed. Validators prefetch transactions, organize them in memory, and get ready to execute, all ahead of time. Together, these systems mean no wasted compute cycles, more transactions processed per block, instant responsiveness for dApps and users. It's Web 2-level performance, but decentralized. Tower BFT, fast, safe, and final consensus is where many chains slow to a crawl. Not here. Solana uses Tower BFT, a modified version of practical Byzantine fault tolerance, PBFT, but built to sync with POH. Here's how it works. Validators vote on blocks using the POH timestamps as a common time reference. Because time is already verified, validators can lock in decisions faster. The network reaches finality in a few hundred milliseconds, not minutes. Tower BFT adds a layer of safety without delay. Even under stress, Solana achieves consensus quickly and with confidence, keeping the chain secure and fluid. The bottom line, Solana isn't scaling by shortcuts. It's scaling by re-engineering the entire stack. POH gives time structure. Sea-level and Gulf Stream supercharge execution. Tower BFT delivers fast, reliable consensus. These aren't buzzwords. They're deep innovations that push the limits of what a blockchain can do, and they're already live in production at scale. If you enjoyed this video, come back tomorrow for part 2, where we will explore the advanced scaling solutions that could lead to mass adoption for Solana. Don't forget to like and subscribe.